Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jompi
Sembut Menteri Rangba Jong Kejela Ba Preston Tensong oleh Yatho Ba Sorkar India kumjuru ke Sorkar Jela ke Kwah ban Pynkloi no ya ke Jingïasuk bat ke seng Hnlc Henry Ulaong ba kani barok ke song ha uksiang ban Pynkloi ya ke kam bat ban lek ya kendo ya ke Hnlc shwa ban poi ya ke Jingïasuk ba Ulaong ru ba barok ke song ha ke Jingstart jong uksiang.
It's too early to say anything because see, until the first meeting starts, I think let us not talk much about it. But the decision from the government, be it central or the state government, is very, very clear. Interlocutor has been appointed. So it is the sole duty of the interlocutor to carry forward the wishes of the government, means central government and the state government, as well as the wishes of the Hnlc. As I said to you, please don't ask this question because talk has to help us. No? How can you say now that okay they have to do this, that? Because we first of all the interlocutor's duty is to sit down with them. Then we leave it to his wisdom through dialogue across the table. So we will know. But right now, as I said to you, we are yet to know because this responsibility has been entrusted to the interlocutor. I think you have already seen the letter. The letter is unconditional. Okay? It is in the parameter of the Constitution of India. Okay? I can't say why not you meet the interlocutor. But I'm telling you very clearly from the central government as well as from the state government, we have entrusted, and then we would like to see that the initiative is started as early as possible.